Morning, this is Anka Metcalf with TradeOutloud.com. Welcome to my pre-market game plan for the major future indices, gold and oil for today. It is May 19th. It is Friday. It's 9:04 a.m. Eastern Time. So let's begin with YM. YM has bottomed out yesterday at 20,474. We had a bounce that formed resistance at 20,740. And overnight, price hooked at 20,620 area and pushed forward all the way into the 20,700 area. Keep in mind that today is option expiration, and it'll be a little bit tougher to trade days like today. So if there is anything that is going to set up in the first 30 minutes, I will take the trade. However, if there is not anything setting up in the first 30 minutes, then less likely I will take a trade. 20,700 is the ceiling of resistance. We're running into this layer over here. If we break above 20,740, we have room to continue higher, and this is going to be the line in the sand that can project price higher. However, as long as the price remains below the 20,740, we remain neutral on price action. So pretty much this is the range that we will be trading in today if we don't get a break to the upside or the downside. So as long as we respect 620 and 700, the market is going to trade within this range. On the break of 20, the price can go back down into 20,500, and if we break above 20,700, the price can continue higher into these prior highs of 20,800. So you do have price. The price can literally propel into this price area if we break over the 700. Now let's take a look at the S&P 500, and again let's determine the range. Overnight support, we have 2361, and yesterday's support level 2344. Today's overnight high 2371, and yesterday's high we have 2374. So yesterday created a wide range, and as of today, as of right now, you could see that we're trading in the upper part of yesterday's trading upper part into yesterday's trading price. And also, if we break above this area right here of 2375, we have room to continue higher into the 23. First off, into the 2379, 2385, 2388 area, and room to continue higher back into the 2400. So the range for today is 2361 and the high 2371 for the day. So it's quite tradable, however, without a clear direction. We're trading in the upper part of yesterday's range, but we're still in a very tight range from yesterday. So that means that we still have room to go higher into the 74. However, we did have a run up into the overnight session that took the price into resistance. So now we either get a pullback right into this back into the 65 area, or if the price is going to be pushed back into the 60 level. All in all, I think that this cluster right here is going to tell us more information about the upcoming day, about the trading day today. But keep in mind, option expiration can literally drive the price in either direction. Let's take a look at NQ and E-mini NASDAQ, stronger than the S&P 500 and stronger than the E-mini Dow, leading by 0.36%, and the weakest one is actually the E-mini Dow, leading with only 12% to the upside, only 26 points, and followed by the S&P 500, which is leading with only 0.24%. All right, so NASDAQ is the strongest. If we get a movement to the upside, it's the only one that is racing the prior day's resistance. It's actually into a position of a daily trigger that can potentially bring the price higher. Keep in mind that we have a prior pivot low from a few days ago that established support at 56.56 area. So 56.56 area is going to be that line in the sand for NQ. If we break above this area, then the price can continue higher, and the next target areas are going to be into 56.80 area and back into the 57 and upper, let's say 50, into this prior high 57.08 and 57.27. This already said high from a few days ago. So E-mini Nasdaq is the strongest one. Buyable on pullbacks. We see that a bull sandwich happened right into this congestion area, with igniting again to the upside. We're getting another continuation of the hourly trend. So this might have odds of continuing higher. Let's take a look at CL. CL had a great movement into the overnight session and actually throughout the trading session yesterday. So with the high yesterday set at 49.92, it was a congestion area over here, and once the price broke this 49 level, it just popped into the $50 area. It's now trading into a much larger tradable void, with the first target into $51.20. So that means that any pullback, potential pullback in oil, can move higher. At the same time, you could see the volatility that is in oil right now, because we're having some really wide range bars. You could see these bars right here, 49.82 for the bottom and the high $50.16. So there's a lot of volatility that is coming in. This came in at the London session, $50.05. So you could see here $50.38. So really wide bars. Correction and then continuation higher. So we're going to wait for the price to stabilize a little bit. Even on a 2-minute chart, we have support that is set right now at $20.26 and resistance at $50.26 and resistance at $50.40. Also for bonds, and that is the bonds are consolidating. So it is one of the nicest patterns that I see here, although the entire overnight session, so the bonds did not participate to a movement higher or to a much steeper pullback. So they are they're tightening up, they're coiling at the support level right here, 153.16 and 153.30, so about 15 ticks over here. 154 is going to be the breakout area. Over 154, the price can continue higher into the 154.11, 154.13. If we erase this area, we have a clear continuation all the way to the 155 level. All right, this is all for now. I hope you all have a great weekend. Keep in mind that we have a new day trading power income futures class starting next week from 5 p.m. Eastern time to 8 p.m. Eastern time, Monday through Friday. And we have a trading lab on May 30th where we get to put everything together. So if you're interested in enrolling in the class, feel free to email me at info@tradeoutloud.com. Registrations ends Monday at noon, so we have very few seats left. Our classes are small, so we give our students the undivided attention that they need. Also, we've hosted a webinar last night. If you would like to listen in to the replay, if you missed it, we have the links available for you. And they're on our social media, on Twitter at Trade Out Loud. Also, they're posted on Facebook, also facebook.com/tradeoutloud. Thanks so much. Don't forget, for any questions, email me at info@tradeoutloud.com. Thanks, and have a wonderful weekend.